Hello friends, this is Mamta from Cadd RAJAJINAGAR. Hope you are all doing fine. In this video tutorial, I will explain the procedure to create the 3D solid models of this wall mounted lamp using AutoCAD software. So we will first create the 3D model using the solid modeling commands. These are the solid modeling commands of the AutoCAD of the lamp which actually emits the light. I will start with a polyline with the dimensions. Shortcut key for polyline PL, enter. Polyline with a dimension of 20 units. And next draw another polyline rightward through the distance of 12 units. Now I will get move command with this by acting the move command. This midpoint has a base point. Now you can just shift right click and choose the nearest point. I am taking the nearest point. I have located this horizontal line. Next, I will draw a profile. I will drag these points. Just click here. And then pick another point. Drag this point. Now just right click and go to line mode. And select the line. And then go to enter. This profile can be further refined if you want using grip editing to get a smooth shape. I will bring it somewhere over here. And next I will give revolve command this particular profile about vertical axis. So I will go to the wall and select the profile. And specify the angle of revolution as 360 degree. Next, this is the top portion of the lamp. And this is the isometric view. Next, to go to the front view. This is the simple lamp. For the material application, go to the material. For shortcut key MET, enter. This is the Autodesk library.